Greetings, my friends. My name is Andrey. I'm the property consultant here at Harmony.Estate, a place where we're showing you and helping you to purchase best projects in Phuket. I'm at Kamala area and I'm going to show you the project which I would like to highlight as an investment opportunity, as this project has everything inside. Great location, great developer, big brand name behind the scenes, small amount of units, all that is highlighted for the great investment. So we are in Kamala area. This is a new episode, and today I'm going to present you very great investment opportunity. And welcome to InterContinental Residences. Let me show you that beautiful project.
Soft lines rise and fade in blue. Heat dissolves around you too. Every thought comes back in view under the still glow with you. Bass hums low in gentle waves. Calm expands and quiet saves. Rhythms breathe in mellow caves under the...
So there will be only 2 buildings, each of them in 7-storey, only 111 apartments, 1 bedroom up to 4 bedrooms. Yeah, it's gonna be a gym, other facilities such as pools. You're gonna have a private parking lots, CCTV security, very good location. And to the beach, it's only 5 minutes by walk. You have a spa and all infrastructure of the InterContinental Hotel you can use with the privileges. Some of the apartments will have a partial sea view, the mountain view, and it's only 111 apartments, which is great. It's easy for resale and it's easy for for rentals. The apartment is spacious, the infrastructure is great, location of the property is very decent. So great investment opportunities.
Under the still glow, we move slow, let it flow. Under the still glow, we move slow, let it flow. Under the still glow.
Kamala area has all that you need. You do need the restaurants, the bars, the beach club, the hotels, the spa. But all infrastructure is here. The mall is here, and the area is going to be developing. Believe me, it's one of the best potential areas in Phuket. And yeah, Kamala will be developed. We have a wide road, not too far from the Patong area, not too far from Bang Tao. Great beach, great walkway in front of the beach. Plenty of the restaurants, really everything that you need. We're gonna have the hospital here in Kamala area, so it's great. Developer, it's not the first project. They built several projects across the Thailand, and one of the projects which I know, they built InterContinental Hua Hin, so they know how to build. They know everything about the quality, and the brand behind the development is incredible. It's very unique. So location is a great point. You are very close to the beach. It's only 5 minutes walking to the beach, and I love Kamala area. I love Kamala, and I think I will move here soon because the area is really nice. So if you like the infrastructure, if you like to have a beach vibes, it's here. Kamala is here.
Calm resets the world outside. Moments fall and coincide.
So this was my review of the InterContinental Residences. In my opinion, one of the best projects on the market for the investments, because you have a great location, not too many units, great infrastructure, great name behind you, as this is the first one in Phuket. And yeah, even the prices it seems like slightly higher, but the potential from the rentals, especially with the location and with the design, with the infrastructure and when everything is going to be high. My recommendation to consider that 1-bedroom apartment and 2-bedroom apartments, as they're going to be occupied. And yeah, if you have any questions on the project, let me know. My contacts down there below. This was Andrey, Harmony.Estate, your property consultant here in Phuket. We're helping you to buy the property here on the islands. Any questions? My contacts down there below. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for your time. And I'll see you in the next episode. This is a great offer, specifically with the payment plans, with the prices. They are not even increasing prices. Consider that. And if you would like to buy, you know to whom to ask to. Thank you so much. See you next time.